Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can manage and organize extensions on Mozilla Firefox in 2025 and also beyond. So let us dive right into it. So in the first step, guys, launch Mozilla Firefox installed on your desktop computer or on your laptop. I'm using it on a Windows 10, as you can see, but you can use it also on Windows 11. So these extensions are called add-ons usually here on Firefox, but you can install and remove them and manage them through the Extension Management Center. Let me show you how to do that. So there are basically two different ways how you can access the Extensions Management Center. The first option would be to click into that icon in the top right corner here in your toolbar, and to click into Manage Extensions there. So let me do that really quickly. That is option number one. Option number two would be to click into these three lines and select Extensions and Themes here, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-A, or alternately Command-Shift-A if you're using a Mac. That is going to redirect you to the Add-ons Manager. As previously mentioned, this center is called Add-ons Manager, not Extensions Manager. So here to the left, guys, you can navigate through these extensions, themes, plugins, and so on and so forth. If you like to directly access, for example, extensions you have already installed, you may do that too by simply clicking into the extension that will be listed here. We're going to install a couple of extensions just in a moment for demonstration purposes to show you how you can access them. What you can do also, guys, is simply click into that extensions button here and manage your installed extensions from here. Let's say, for instance, I would like to remove that one here. To do that, click into that gear icon next to it. And from here, you may select Remove Extension or pin it to the toolbar, move it down on that list, or report it. So let me, for example, pin it to the toolbar. And as previously mentioned, that will add the given extension to that toolbar here so that you can click into it and start using it. For example, this read aloud feature, or extension for websites. So these functions and features may of course depend on the given extension type. So make sure that you familiarize with the functions and features of the installed extension before you start utilizing it. And what you want to do also, guys, is make sure that you can access that extensions icon here. If you don't see it here, nor any of these pinned extensions, you may customize your toolbar really quickly by right-clicking into it here and by clicking into Customize Toolbar. And from here, simply make sure that, let me just find it, that the extensions icon is so that you can access it, guys. If you don't see the extensions icon here in the top right corner, you will see it amongst these favorite items here in that list to add it to your toolbar by simply moving it with your left mouse, just like that. So that's how you can enable the extensions icon here. So what you want to do next, guys, is simply install or remove these extensions. You may do that through the add-ons manager here. So let me do that really quickly. So here under enabled, you will see a list of all extensions that are currently running. You may toggle them off here to the right, just like that, or remove them entirely by clicking into these three dots here and by selecting remove, confirm that. You may also report the given extension either via these three dots here or through your toolbar here at the top. Simply click into your extensions icon, select the given extension, click into that gear icon and select report extension, just like that. After that, Firefox will redirect you to that feedback submit so that you may, for example, provide information about the given report submit and provide also feedback and why you have decided to report the given extension. And after that, you may confirm that by clicking into submit report here. For instance, I don't know, in some cases we may stumble upon extensions that are not working properly. So by submitting a report like that, you may help, for instance, fix these issues for these extensions. So to install these extensions, guys, you may go through that list of recommended extensions here, for instance, or head over to the library by clicking on Find More Add-ons here. Next, head over to Extensions and select your extensions category like Search Tools or Download Management, Bookmarks, Appearance, Alerts, and Updates. So let me go with language support, for example. Let us find and install a translator as an extension. let me go with that grammar and spell checker. For instance, you will see the users that are currently using the given extension, the overall rating here. So let me go with this grammar and spell checker, click into it, and after that click into add to Firefox here to install it. Wait for the installation to be finished, and last but not least, grant the permission to be used here on Firefox by clicking into add, and that's it. After that, click into OK here. You'll be redirected to the welcome page. And if you'd like to pin the given extension to your toolbar, guys, as previously mentioned, simply click into that extensions icon here, click into that gear icon next to the given extension and select pin to toolbar so that you may directly access it here from your home page without heading over to the add-ons manager. So that's how extensions work, guys. You may also customize and manage your themes by heading over to themes here and select, for example, one of these color theme like this one here, or a dark theme, a light theme, dark blue, and so on and so forth. You may add more of them by heading over to the library, find more themes here, and simply install the color theme you would like to use, or expand the search by clicking into see more here. That's how you manage themes. And last but not least, we got also plugins, guys. You will find these below themes here. And amongst these plugins, you may find, for example, video codecs or description modules and so on and so forth that may be needed to use or access various websites and content properly and to display it properly. For example, this video codecs. These video codecs here may be needed to show media, for example, on websites here via Mozilla Firefox. So if you accidentally disable one of these plugins, guys, simply click into these three dots here and select activate to activate it. You may, of course, disable it if you like, if you don't want to use it anymore, by clicking into never activate. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you manage extensions, themes, and plugins on Mozilla Firefox. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.